Hey everyone, Jake here for American Trucks, and in this video we're taking a look at the Ford Performance Twin Turbo Upgrade Kit fitting 2013 to 2016 3.5 liter EcoBoost F-150s. If you're gunning for big power with your EcoBoost F-150, this is the way to get there. Ford's own performance arm has designed a bolt-on kit to get you more boost through larger turbos, plus all the stuff you need to get them installed. So it removes the guesswork and it helps you achieve those bigger power numbers you've been after. When you're chasing big power in a turbocharged engine, one of your biggest limiting factors are, in fact, your turbos. This kit from Ford Performance solves that issue. You get two brand new BorgWarner turbos, which are larger in capacity and output than your factory turbos. So you get more air, more boost pressure, and more power and torque. While the kit comes with everything you need physically to get these installed on your truck, there are some other things that you'll need in order to make this work properly and unlock the full potential of these turbos. First, you'll need a custom tune. This is absolutely a requirement since you're changing air-fuel ratios, boost pressure, and your engine is not going to run right without that custom calibration. We do have a lot of options on our site for tuning modules and tunes, so you've got plenty of choices right here with us. And since you're going to do that custom tune anyway and you're upping the boost pressure, it's a good idea to pair this with a high-quality exhaust and intake, maybe even a set of downpipes and an intercooler. While this is designed to work with all of your factory stuff, all of those things are interconnected, and while I am notoriously very good at spending other people's money, if you are chasing big power, it's worth it to do those supporting mods while you're at it. The turbos can make big power on their own, and the calibration and all the other surrounding bits will make sure your engine runs at its peak performance for a good long while. Plus, what a difference that is going to make. Now, this is also a great option for those of you who have an older truck and maybe have a lot of miles on it and have gotten to that point where the turbos need to be replaced. But again, all that same stuff is going to apply if you do want to put these in place of your stock turbos as a replacement. Plus, what a difference all of that is going to make. Now, BorgWarner has been making turbos for a long while, and they're used in a lot of OEM applications. The turbos included in this kit are made to essentially OEM quality and spec. They're just a bit larger. The compressors feature a billet impeller and an integrated wastegate, so again, they are much like your stock turbos, only more boosty. So these are going to fit perfectly in the spots where those old ones were mounted. The kit also includes new heat shields, exhaust adapters, plus all the O-rings, gaskets, and fasteners you need to get everything fitted properly. As you might expect, a kit like this does not come cheap. Plan on spending around $2,500 for the kit itself, and make sure you leave some room in the budget, at least for that custom tune, plus any other supporting mods you want to do. As the saying goes, you gotta pay to play, and play you surely will if you go with this kit. Installation gets a 3 out of 3 and expect the job to take you the better part of a day to complete. While this is a bolt-on kit that doesn't require you to modify the engine itself, you gotta get down in there to access those turbos, and even though the EcoBoost is not a big engine in that bay of the F-150, they're still packed tightly down there. So the job is gonna be difficult. Make sure you've got time, tools, and patience, maybe a helping hand with you in order to tackle this one. That's gonna wrap it up here for our review of the Ford Performance Twin Turbo Upgrade Kit fitting 2013 to 2016 3.5 liter EcoBoost F-150s. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for all things F-150, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.